So it's a Friday afternoon. I'm pretty tired, and I figured if I can still do this format under those six circumstances, then I can probably do it every day or at least once a week. So, here we are talking about the state of NFTs. And I put up this tweet: NFTs equal art, like paper or the internet equals art. They do not. Um, Trying to describe that we're in a lull period of NFTs. We're sort of on our way in a dip after there's been a huge, craze of them. And sort of many people are blaming the medium rather than how the medium is used. And, as they say, don't shoot the messenger. So there are a lot of crappy projects out there. There are a lot of good ones. But NFTs aren't to blame for crappy, scammy type projects. There are great art projects out there. Just like paper, no one blames the paper if there's something written on it that they don't like, or someone draws a piece of art that they don't like. I just taken this opportunity because of that analogy to show you some really nice paper-based artworks. And here, this is Jen Stark. She was a beautiful color-based paper creator, and she's now doing very well in the NFT space. She's converted over to NFTs and makes great stuff. And we see here some numbers to back up the feeling that, the crowd has gone away. Here is a worldwide NFT search just on Google Trends. And you can see here, as Andrew says, it's fallen off a cliff. From the start of the year, we have the searches for NFTs have just really lost interest, totally lost interest. And we could probably, if you like reading charts, you could say we're sort of hitting the top of like the high back here. So this could equal the low, and then we sort of peter out for a while. And then towards the end of the year, the interest will pick back up again. But that's all speculation. But what we do know is there are scammy projects, and I'd like to draw attention to one of those scammy projects just recently. Pixelmon. Investors lose millions on disfigured Pokemon clones. So the story here is there was, obviously Pixelmon, it's like pixelated Pokemon. People had this idea that would be this great pixelated based world, sort of like a Pokemon type world. And, this is the homepage. You sort of see this and people imagining, these great worlds with these collectible characters. And soon as it released, people started doing this, backing away from the project because this is what got released. They raised $70 million. That's like 3 ETH per mint. And this was the result of what was released. And then this is the floor price on IC Tools, before reveal, after reveal. And so because it was such a, seemingly money grab, the art was terrible, it sort of, everyone was laughing at it afterwards. It's sort of now become like so terrible. So his name is Kevin. They're deeming this dude Kevin. It's like historical. It's like so bad, it's almost good now. It's like a historically bad thing that's happened in the space that people are, it's like meme worthy now. It's nothing as bad as this has happened since Super Yetis, if you're around since then. So it spawned a whole meme culture of the Incredible Kevin, like, expectation versus the reality of what was revealed. $70 million. It's so crazy. And even like, if you're given lemons, make lemonade. Look at this awesome render by Leonardo Vitti here. Great artwork based off this terrible reveal. And so, people make the best of what's out there. So you have this original Pixelmon, and then off the back of that, just not related, someone made Kevin Punks. It's 555 of them. And they're doing really well. You can see here, like, it was a free mint. And I think I've got the page. Yeah, it was a free mint, 500. So like obviously CryptoPunks, but in the Kevin style. So you could have minted them free, and now the floor price is, 0.5 on there, 0.7 it's up to now, 0.76. And this is what they look like. They're almost more desirable than the original ones. So yeah, these things happen, but it's good to see that the well-natured community can sort of make light of it and then make something even good out of such scammy money grab sort of projects that are out there. And so just to wrap it off for today, I just want to show what I've been minting. Today I got some cyber brokers. I've been wanting some pieces from Josie Bellini for a long time, and I got these awesome mints. This project is, it's cyber. I like cyber stuff. It's pretty cool, sci-fi. But the difference is, I believe that these, you can see it's sort of vector-based artwork, and I think that is important because it is based on the blockchain. So it's not on IPFS, it's not on a separate link, it doesn't go outside the blockchain. It's based in code, and it's on-chain. This art is on-chain, and it's as high a quality as I have seen before done on-chain. So that's, that along with the OG artist name of Josie. I've been wanting some of her art for a long time, and this is a great addition to my collection. So this is the OpenSea. I'm not affiliated. I'm just a fan, and this is what they look like. So that's what I was minting today. I was on the allow list, so I'm not sure how many will be available for public. But yeah, that's where we're at. Have a good weekend, and I'm out of here. See ya.